Alright guys, so how do we track something that's kind of odd or like that's a multi-ingredient meal or isn't listed in your tracking app? So today, for example, my breakfast was a taco from Whole Foods. There's no taco from Whole Foods in here. I'm going to spare you the search. It's not in here. But I did look at the nutrition label and I saw that I had 25 grams of carbohydrate, I had 28 grams of protein, and 20 grams of fat. So what I'm going to do is find some macronutrient dense foods and use that instead and just basically make up what taco would have been. So I use Carbolin, which is just starchy carbohydrates in a powder form for working out. And I know one scoop's 50 grams. So I'm just going to go to a half serving. Not a third, not 1.5, but a half. Right, 25 grams, perfect. And good job, guys. You know what? If I do that, it'll take me to the App Store, so we'll skip it. Now, this dog chomping in my ear behind me. Protein. So let's go something I know is going to be protein dense, and that's just really going to be my protein powder. And that might give me some carbs and fats, and that's okay. So my protein's at 23 grams. I know I need another 5 grams of protein. Let's see if, you know what I can do? Let's see here. Totally doing this, no script. 28.75, good deal. I eat that. And you'll see my carbohydrates is a little too high now. It's okay, we'll go back in. And now fat. Let's go with fish oil caplets. I'm just guessing this, because I know like one tablespoon is going to give me 13 grams. So give me 20 grams of fat, 20.4, and it's going to equal out. It's going to even out pretty good. So if I go back, I can see that I'm at 28, 24, 31 carbs. So what I'm going to do here, since plus or minus 5 is always okay in the daily total, I'm just going to go back, look at my carbohydrates, serving 1.25, oops, this is the wrong thing, cancel, yeah, Carbolin, serving, and we'll say that I had a third. So 22.75, which is quite a bit closer. This works because it doesn't have to be exact on the money for each thing that you do. It just needs to be relatively pretty close so that you have an idea to plan your day out. Think big picture. Don't sweat the small stuff. It's not that big of a deal. But anyway, I hope this is helpful, and this works for all types of stuff. So cool recipes you find that aren't listed in here, etc. There's yesterday's calories. And so on. I'm going to log the rest of my food, and have a good night.